Hello children, how are you all? So I hope you all have understood the first chapter of your EVS. So today we are going to start the second chapter, that is the first chapter of book 2. So the second chapter of your EVS is chapter food. The name of the chapter is food. Okay, first you see, here some match the following are there. Have fun matching the food to its source. One has been done for you. So here we have to match from which animal or from which things we are getting that product. First of all, you see eggs. From which animal we get eggs? We get eggs from hen. So you have to match it. It has been done for you. The next one, milk. Milk we get from cow. So you will match it with cow. Third one, wheat. Wheat we get from wheat plants. So here you will match it with wheat plants. Meat. Meat we get from goat. And apple we get from tree. So in this way we will match it. Okay. So now we will start the first topic, that is, why do we need food? So all the people we need food. So why we need food? Okay, first one, food gives us energy. So the first one, why we need food is, food gives us energy for doing all the work, for playing, for studying, whatever we are doing full day, we need energy. We need energy to work and play. So for working, for studying, those who are going to office, those who are going to school, or when you are playing also, you need energy. Without energy we cannot do any work. So where from we are getting that energy? This energy we are getting from food. Next one, food helps us to grow. We all are growing day by day. Suppose how you all were in nursery and now in class 2, your height increases, your body structure increases, everything has changed. So here you see, first you all were a small baby. Now you are grown up to a little boy and girl. Again he will grow up to be a man and woman. So who help us to grow? Food help us. Remember how you were once a small baby. Food helped you to grow into what you are now. So first of all, not only you, we all were once a very small baby, and now who helped us to grow? Food helped us to grow. Third one, food protects and heals our body. So food protects and heals our body. Heals means get relief. Hema fell and hurt her knee. Her mother gave her a glass of warm milk with a little turmeric added to it. She said it will heal her knee faster. So Hema is the name of a girl. She fell down and she got hurt in her knee. So what her mother gave? Her mother gave her a glass of warm milk and with a little turmeric in it. Whenever you will get hurt, if you will add turmeric in the milk and you will drink, you will get relief from pain. So it will help her to heal her knee faster. Next, turn the page. Next we will come to the next topic, that is sources of food. Sources means from where we get the food. We get food mainly from plants and animals. So where from we get food? We get food mainly from the plants and the animals. First topic you see, food from plants. Here we will read about the food which we get from plants. We get fruits, vegetables and grains from plants. They are grown in fields. The person who grows this is called a farmer. So where from we get fruits, vegetables, grains? We get it from plants. And where these plants grow? They all grow in the fields, like rice crops, wheat crops are there, apple tree, mango tree, vegetables are there, lots of potato, brinjal. So all this grows in the field. And to look after that field, to look after that fruits, vegetables and grains, persons are there, those who are working in the field. So the person who grows this, who look after that plants, that person is known as farmer. Okay, here you see the picture. This is a farmer. He is working in the field. He is looking after all this and working here. Next you see food from animals. Next you will read about the food which we get from the animals. Farm animals like hens, cows and goats give us milk, eggs, meat, etc. Fish are mostly caught from rivers and seas. So farm animals like hens, cows and goats, these are all kept in the farm, in the houses. Okay, separate rooms are separate areas are made for them, separate rooms are made for them, and there hens, cows, goats. And where these animals stay, this is known as farm. So they are known as farm animals. And what that farm animals give us? They gives us milk, cows give us milk, hens gives us eggs, goat gives us meat, and fish also. Fish, where from we get fish? Mostly we get fish from the rivers and the seas. This is, you see, this is a farmhouse. Here see various types of, here see horse, then cow, goat, hen, all the farm animals are here, and from all these animals we get egg, milk, meat, etc. Next you see salt. An important part of our food is obtained neither from plants nor from animals. We get it from seawater. Salt, it is a very important part of our food. Without salt we cannot eat any food. Whatever you will eat, if salt is missing, you will not get the taste. So where from we get this salt? We get salt neither from the plants nor from the animals. We get it from seawater. Seawater, if you taste, no, it is salty. Why? Seawaters are full of salt. So salt we obtain from seawater. Here you see in this box, it is mentioned, see, people who do not eat eggs and meat are called vegetarians. Two types of people are there. Some are vegetarians, some are non-vegetarians. People who eat eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians. So the people, those who are not eating egg, meat, they are known as vegetarians. And the people, those who are eating eggs and meat, they are known as non-vegetarian. Here you see next. Food groups. So foods are divided into various groups. Because all the foods, different uses are there, different types of varieties are there. So these all are divided into groups. So first you see, to stay healthy, we need to eat different types of food. Our food can be divided into 3 food groups. So to stay healthy and fit, we need to eat different types of food. All the types of food we need to eat. Because each type of food has its own benefit. So that's why our food, it is divided into how many food groups? 3 food groups. Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and another one is protective food. First we will start with energy giving food. Food that gives us energy is called energy giving food. Below are shown some energy giving food items. So what is energy giving food? The food that gives us energy. That food are known as energy giving food. So here some pictures are given. All these foods gives us energy. First one you see potato, rice, sugar, wheat, butter, oil. So these all food gives us energy. Next, bodybuilding food. Food that helps us to grow and makes us strong is called bodybuilding food. Below are shown some bodybuilding food items. So what is bodybuilding food? The food that helps us to grow and makes us strong. That makes our body strong, healthy, and that the food which help us to grow taller and stronger. That food are known as bodybuilding food. Here you see milk, fish, pulses, eggs, paneer, meat. These all food help us to grow stronger and healthier. These all are bodybuilding food. Okay. Next you see, next one is protective food. See, protective food. This is the third group. Food that protects our body from diseases and heals it in case of injury is called protective food. Below are shown some protective food items. So what is protective food? The food that protects our body from disease and heals it. Suppose if you fall sick or you have got got injury, that time if we eat this type of fruits, this type of food, so it help us to protect our body. If regularly we will eat these all the foods, we will not fall sick, or suddenly if you get hurt, it will cure faster. So first one is banana, orange, spinach, broccoli, carrot, milk. Milk, you see, milk is very necessary. So we need to eat these all the fruits regularly to protect our body from diseases. Okay. So next you start balanced diet. Now what is balanced diet? Okay. Diet is the food that we eat at a time. That means suppose everyone in the breakfast we are taking, suppose this is in the breakfast. In the lunch we are taking different food. During dinner we take different food. So these are all diet. In the morning which we eat, that is one diet. Lunch is another diet. Dinner is again diet. So balanced diet means whatever we will eat, it has to be balanced. That means we should not eat only junk foods and this and that, oily and all food. We should eat healthy food which help us to grow taller and stronger. We should always eat a balanced diet in order to have a healthy body. So to get a healthy body, what type of food we should eat? We should eat balanced diet. It means that our diet should contain food from all the three food groups. So from all the three food groups, whatever food we have got in our diet, these all the food should be present. Okay, this banana, milk, paneer, eggs, rice, sugar, these all we need to eat regularly. We should also drink plenty of water. Plenty means lots of. So we should drink lots of water to be healthy. For our body, water is very essential. So we should drink lots of water every day. Next you see good food habits. Here some good habits are mentioned. So number 1, wash your hands before and after eating. So whenever you will eat something, before eating also, after eating also, you should wash your hands properly. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Whenever you will eat any fruits or vegetables, before cooking or before eating, you should wash that fruits and vegetables properly. Chew food properly before swallowing it. Whenever you will eat, you should chew the food properly. Not only, okay, 1 or 2 times you will chew it and then you will swallow. No, you should chew the food properly, then you should swallow. Then only it will be digested properly. Try to say no to junk food. Junk food, we all are having lots of junk food. No, every day this, that, no, burger, pizza, everything we are eating. So we should say no to junk food. Or we should take junk food very rarely, very few. Any occasional is there, or suppose Sunday you go out with your parents, that time you take something. But regularly this chips, cold drinks, pizza and all these type of junk food, regularly we should not take. Okay. So hope you have understood this chapter, and more you have to go through this video more 2-3 times. Again and again you go through this video, you will clear everything, clear your doubts and all. You will understand the chapter more clearly. Okay. So okay, thank you students. So stay safe and take care.